Hey everyone, Donna Vincent here. Today I want to share with you a sad story that I read about and talk to you about these rope toys that we let our dogs and cats play with and what happened to a puppy that unfortunately died after playing with these rope toys. Before I jump into that, I want to introduce myself. I'm a work from home dog mom of two, and I give pet owners confidence, peace of mind that what they're feeding their pets is actually adding to their well being so they can live happier, healthier lives. The puppy that died from playing with the rope toy died because they were chewing on it and it started to unravel. And you can see from this end that this is starting to unravel. My dogs chew on these, and I'm not telling anyone not to use these because I use them, but just be aware as your dog or cat is chewing on these that they start to unravel and your dog or cat can start to swallow these pieces of the rope. What happened to this puppy that died was 14 months old. There was so much of this rope wrapped around their intestines that there was so much damage. There really wasn't much that they could do for the puppy. The dog was trying to pass the rope and couldn't, so was tearing holes in the intestines. They ended up removing 3 feet of rope that was wrapped around the intestines, and 14 inches of perforated intestines had to be removed. Unfortunately, there was so much extensive damage. 2 days later, the puppy ended up dying. She became septic and was bleeding from her intestines into her stomach. Now, the one that I have my dogs are chewing on, I'm actually going to cut this off. And I just threw one out and I should have saved it because Sadie just destroys things. She just pulls and pulls and destroys them. Some symptoms that you may see if they start swallowing pieces of these ropes, and I have 2 of them. There's all different types of rope toys. Diarrhea, excessive drinking of water, vomiting, loss of appetite, which can also just be confused or misdiagnosed as just an upset stomach. The rope is more difficult to see from an x-ray or ultrasound. Usually they have to do surgery to check for any rope wrapped around the intestines. And so if your dog or cat plays with these, or you know someone who has a dog or cat who has these rope toys, just remind them, watch for the fraying, watch for it to start to unravel, and just throw it out and get a new one. It's better to be safe than to be sorry. This may not happen too often, but one time is too often if it's your pet that dies from swallowing too much of this rope toy. So as it unravels, just throw it in the garbage and get a new one so they can chew on a new one. And they last pretty long. This one I am watching. This other one is they haven't chewed much on at all. So please share this. I hope this was helpful. Please share this with other pet owners who have dogs and cats who may be using these rope toys, just so they're aware of this and know to watch as they start to unravel and chew and destroy these. I have to be real careful with Sadie. Have a great rest of your day, everyone. Donna Vincent here. I will talk to you all again soon. Have a great rest of your day.